Hello everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. This afternoon is a get stuff done afternoon. I went to school this morning and I'm back at home now. I threw some laundry in, which you might be able to hear over there. I'm taking care of all the admin tasks that I've kind of been putting off, like sending emails, submitting papers, making phone calls, all the stuff that kind of just weighs on you. And I really just want to get it done today so I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. So we're starting the week with a fresh slate. I do need to do my Mandarin homework as well, so I'm going to do that in a little bit and probably just work on that until I go to F45 this evening. I woke up feeling kind of stiff this morning. I think it may have to do with the weather. It's just like so cold. So I think it'll be good to move my body. And then I'm just gonna make dinner at home this evening. So it's gonna be a nice, cozy, but productive Monday to start the week. I'll take you along for the rest of the week as always, but I just wanted to say hello, welcome you to this week's vlog, and I will see you all a little bit later. Tonight, I'm going to make some kimchi stew. My cozy casual outfit of the day. I have on my Ray-Ban Sunnies. This fleece is from Sunday school and I'm just carrying my Abam home tote. And then for my bottoms, I just have on these Aritzia lounge pants. I think they're from their cozy line, and I'm just wearing my UGG Tasman X's. So this is my cozy casual outfit of the day. It's so sunny and I'm excited to head out. This is my outfit of the night. I'm wearing this black wool coat. This is from Cody Book. It has the really cute high neck, which I love. But I just have my little Freya bag, my white Glony 3/4 length sleeves tee. I have on this Cezanne leopard print belt, and my jeans are from Uniqlo, and I just have my little black satin ballet flats on, and my glasses from Blue Elephant. I just got done with my appointment and I have some time to kill, so I'm gonna go walk around Ballard and pick up dinner for Mari and I. This evening I am going to the ballet with my sister, so I'm just getting ready right now. We're gonna go to the Met Market for dinner and then we will head to the show, but I'm really excited. They're performing Cinderella and I think it's gonna be very beautiful. I've never seen Cinderella as a ballet, but it's one of my favorite like Disney movies. So I'm gonna get ready and then we will head out and I will see you all there. We are at the ballet. At the ballet. Good morning, everyone. Today it is Monday. I remembered late last night post Super Bowl that I actually have online school today. We do these little kind of like beauty school boot camps where we learn about like the business and just how to operate those things. So I'm excited for that and I'm excited to be at home and online. So right now I'm making myself some matcha coffee. I haven't had this in a while and the aroma is already waking me up and giving me the life that I need. But I'm gonna have school today online for 4 hours and then I'm gonna do some chores too. I need to just finish the laundry, change the sheets, do some vacuuming. There's always vacuuming to be done. And then later today, I am meeting Ginny for dinner at San Fermo to celebrate her birthday. I'm very excited and it's gonna be a great start to the week. So I just wanted to say hello and I'll see you all a little bit later this week. I'm heading out to dinner. This is my outfit of the night. I have on my little Heaven Mayhem earrings, my little Etsy tote, my favorite brown coat from Better Call Sister, and then underneath I just have on this long sleeve. This is from MM6, and then I just have on my little silk Saison striped scarf around my waist, and I paired it with my Reformation trousers and vintage brown boots. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm gonna go and I'll see you all at dinner. We're going with the black. Was that me? Did you just have lunch? We are going on a Wednesday evening walk to get some sunshine. Hello everyone. Tonight I am very excited because I'm going to have a little Gallentine's dinner with Jen. We are going to Cantonetta, which I am very excited about. I just finished doing my makeup. I'm very happy with how it came out. And I'm gonna put my earrings on and pick out perfume, and then I'm gonna get dressed and head out. But I just wanted to say hello. Today it is Thursday, which I am so pleased about. I'm very excited for the weekend. This week has felt very long. Let me get my earrings. But we have a fun week ahead because it is Valentine's. So tomorrow is Friday. I'm just gonna go to school and then I'm going to hang out with Luke. I think we might go out and try this new pizza place in Seattle. And then what else are we gonna get up to? I kind of want to do a little bit of shopping. I don't know what's gotten into me, but I just haven't been really like in the shopping mood. Also, sometimes this happens to me where like my earring holes feel like they just randomly close up, and then I feel like I'm just like re-piercing my ear. I don't know if that happens to anyone else. It's usually this ear. I think it's because my ears are like sensitive. They don't really get infected, but they just get really sensitive. That was TMI about my ears. But I will get this in my ear off camera. But I really just wanted to say hello. I feel like I was just rambling, but it's going to be a good, fun, festive Valentine's weekend. We're going to keep it low-key, get a lot done, and hopefully we will be lucky with some good weather. But I'm going to finish getting ready. I'll show you what I'm wearing before I head out, and I'll see you at the restaurant. Got my earring in my ear. Thank goodness. I need to put on the rest of my jewelry. I think my rings are downstairs. But I'm wearing this top from Reformation. I think the last time I wore it was literally my like 28th birthday. But I love it so much. I will never get rid of it. And I just have it on with my black trousers, which are also from Reformation. And I think I'm just gonna wear ballet flats and then maybe like a black fur coat for fun because it's cold enough. And then this has been my go-to scent lately. This is the Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel, and it just smells so fresh and feminine and light, and it honestly makes me really excited for spring. So I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I'm gonna head out. This is the final look. I just threw on my faux Aritzia faux fur coat. I have my little red March Sherwood because I feel like it's very Valentine's and festive, and I threw on my ballet flats, so I'm gonna head out. Good evening everyone. It is Friday evening. Luke and I went to a workout. We got some dinner and we went to a spontaneous reflexology session, and it was lovely, and we're feeling very relaxed. We are home now. We have multiple things going. I'm going to make some leftover pigs in a blanket with the leftover stuff from our Super Bowl party. We're having a little wine, and I also got my Valentine's gift. and I got some chocolates, and the best part, the peanuts Uno. So now I need to remember how to play Uno, but it was one of my favorite games. And I'm also working on making a concoction to rid our home of ants. So it's a very productive pre-Valentine's Day celebration evening, but I'm going to drink this wine, make these pigs in a blanket, and work on getting rid of the ants. So cheers to that. It's gonna be way too hot. This is my Valentine's Day outfit of the day. I have on my favorite fuzzy coat from Rave. My bag is from Mark Sherwood, my Gentle Monster sunnies / glasses, and underneath I just have on a white wool sweater from Lacoste. And then to be festive, I have on my red Still Here New York pants and my Doc Martens. So this is the outfit of the day. We're gonna go out and I'll see you all later. This morning we're walking to a new cafe that just opened in Cap Hill called Offline Coffee, and I'm excited to try their matcha. I got the chili crisp cream cheese.